good evening. Those stories coming up. But first we go to Parliament, where the most important law since the elections has been passed.
And it has to do with land. The Restitution of Land Rights Bill became law today by 212 votes to 26, with the IFP and the Freedom Front opposing the measure. Conrad Burke reports.
This law is about the land and the millions of people who lost the land. It undoes the 1913 Natives Land Act, a law which became the cornerstone of segregation. It also, for the first time, makes it possible for courts to compensate people who lost their land because of racial laws.
Ordinary people, Mr. Speaker, in cities and the countryside are waiting impatiently for the results of the legislation before you. The hopes and aspirations of millions of South Africans are represented in this House.
The National Party supports this bill before the House, sir, because it adheres to Section 121 to 123 of the Constitution for Transition negotiated at the World Trade Center.
The fatal flaws in the bill stem from the 1993 Constitution, which in Section 121 stipulates that no claims prior to June 1913 can be entertained.